Okay, are you ready? You do it. You do it. Good girl. I know. You have to let it go. Oops, we still got it. I think you forgot. You forgot to let it go. Oh, got another hand now. Okay. Okay, let it go this time. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go this time. Oh, don't bite your thumb. No, you still have it in your hand. Okay. All right, try again. Oh, do you like that, Puff? You like it? Try again. I like your little mouth going. You gotta let it go. You gotta let it go. Still in your hand. You still got it. I know. You're so proud of yourself. Put it in your mouth and let it go, silly. I know, it's tasty. Yeah. Da. Okay. Yeah. Where did it go? It's just stuck to your hand. There you go. That's pretty good, huh? And Mama. More? You looking for some more? There's nothing on that one. Wait, that's just my finger.